Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And I recently went on a little shopping excursion to Walmart, so let's get started. Here are a couple of summer tank tops. This is what I call a tank top. This has got really thin straps, so it's more of like a camisole top. And these were on clearance. I find at the end of the season, which actually we're in the middle of summer right now where I am, things start to go on clearance or on sale because I want to move it out to bring in the next season items. And so I decided that I'm going to show you how you can easily embellish these. So this will be coming up in a future project. I don't know how soon. So if you like to wear tops like this, start checking out your stores to see if you can find them on clearance, because it's better to buy it that way. And then hopefully in the near future, I will show you how you can embellish it. Here's another item that was on clearance because, as I said, it's getting towards the end of summer. And it is a kimono. This is what they call it. And there's many different names they call these things, so you don't need to get stuck on one particular title. But these are always very oversized. This is a small medium, and I normally wear a large size in a blouse because I like my blouses a little loose. I don't like them tight. And this small medium I know is going to fit me because these are always very, very large. They came in a variety of colors, and these are so fun to wear when maybe you've got just a little sleeveless shirt on and you just want to throw something on real quick. It's not necessarily cold out, but you want to kind of dress yourself up. So I'm going to be embellishing this. I've got a little idea in my head. I don't have it all worked out yet. So if you like wearing these, I would go to your Walmart because they came in a big variety of colors. These are kitchen towels, and the one thing that our particular Walmart store has been having a problem getting in is kitchen towels, kitchen pot holders, anything for the kitchen as far as linens like this. There just is barely anything, and I get a little frustrated. I was looking for Christmas towels, hoping they'd be showing up, but they haven't yet. So I bought these red towels. They only had 2 left, and I grabbed them. So I plan on doing a applique pattern on here, or possibly machine embroidery. These are great gifts at Christmas time, so consider to start looking for towels that you can use during the fall and Christmas holiday season. Surprisingly, Walmart has a lot of fabrics that are considered costume fabric, you know, shiny and glittery. And that makes it really nice whenever you need to make something fun for your kids or your grandkids. And what I'm going to do with this netting, I've got some black, some orange, and this sparkly gold. I'm going to mix them all together, and I'm going to show you how to make a little skirt out of it. There's barely any sewing to the skirt. It's just a few little stitches on it. And it'll be, this one here is going to have kind of a witch theme, but you can make a princess theme or any theme you want. The price on this is also great. I think that this was around 97 cents a yard. Now I bought about a yard of each. I won't use it all in this one particular skirt. So if you have a lot to make, you don't need a lot for this. This is burlap, and this is by the yard burlap. Sometimes you can find it in wide strips. You can find it in 10 and 20-inch rolls. But I want to make a large table runner out of it. And you're probably thinking, well, why would you use this? You can't clean it. You can. You can wipe it off. The cleaning instruction says wipe it off. Don't put it in your washing machine. If you're going to make something like this, remember, whip out that can of Scotch Guard and spray it all down so that it's easy to wipe it off. This is a 2-way stretch fabric, and it's a little thick, not bad though, and it stretches just one way. It does not, or I should say 2-way, side to side. But it doesn't stretch the other way. So if it only stretches in one direction, that's called a 2-way stretch. If it stretches in all the directions, it's called a 4-way stretch. I bought about 2 yards of this because I want to make a blouse, and most blouses require anywhere from 2 to 2.5 yards of fabric. This is somewhat of a satin fabric. It's very shiny. I'm not going to use it to make clothing. I have a few semi-homemade projects that I've got in the works for tutorials, and this might be used in the semi-homemade one. I haven't quite made up my mind. I'm also considering using it as a border around my burlap table runner. I'm not sure what this fabric is called. I've never noticed it before at Walmart. Maybe it's been there all these years and I just didn't look high enough. It was way up on the top shelf, and when you're short like me, it's kind of hard to see what's up there. But I was intrigued by it because it looks like cross-stitch fabric, really large cross-stitch fabric. And there was no title on the end of the bolt. Most of the fabric bolts at Walmart are very nondescript. They don't tell you much about it. And so I'm thinking about using this in some type of a cross-stitch project. And I have a few ideas in mind. I haven't quite made up my mind yet, but I'm kind of excited about using this fabric. I have a lot of rotary cutters, different sizes, different brands, but not a whole lot of blades. They're kind of hard to find. And I managed to get the last package at Walmart of the 45mm rotary cutting blades for the Fiskar brand. And luckily, I do have a Fiskar rotary cutter. Well, I hope you enjoyed the shopping experience with me. I like doing these little shopping hauls because this way you kind of get a sneak peek of what's coming up on the Sewing Room channel. And the best way to keep informed, of course, is to go down below your YouTube screen and, click on the little subscribe. But remember, there will be links down below your YouTube screen in the description section. So you scroll down, click on the down arrow or show more, and then you'll start seeing all kinds of links appearing. Now, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.